Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 4.4, which is related to practical geometry. And in this exercise, you have given 3 sides and 2 included angles. 3 sides and 2 included angles means you have 5 measurements by which you will able to construct a quadrilateral. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. First is quadrilateral. Construct the following quadrilateral DEAR. Dear. Quadrilateral DEAR. Measurements are given here. DE is equal to 4 centimeter. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is equal to 60 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. These are given measurements by which we want to construct a quadrilateral DEAR. First of all, you draw a rough sketch or rough diagram of quadrilateral DEAR like this. DEAR. DE is equal to 4 centimeter. EA 5 centimeter and AR 4.5 centimeter. Angle E 60 degree. Angle A 90 degree. In this figure, we have 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 2 included angles are these 3 sides. This means we are able to construct a quadrilateral. First of all, you draw a baseline D. Baseline D, which length is 4 centimeter. DE. You draw a line segment DE is equal to 4 centimeter. Then you draw 60 degree angle at point E. For this, you take any distance in your compass and draw an arc with center E. Then you cut first cut from this arc, from this intersection point, you get 60 degree angle. You join this point and cut point and you get 60 degree angle at point E. Then you take 5 cm distance in your compass and cut an arc from this angle. You take 5 cm distance in your compass and with center E cut an arc which is equal to 5 cm and that intersection point is A. Then you draw 90 degree angle at point A. For this purpose, you take any distance in your compass and draw an arc like this, and you cut the arc from the previous arc from this intersection point first and second. Then you bisect these two. You get more than half. You take more than half distance from these two, which you want to bisect, and draw an arc from the center this and this respectively like this. and join it, you get 90-degree angle. Then you cut 4.5 centimeter distance from this side. You take 4.5 centimeter distance in your compass and put your sharp edge here, point A, and cut another 4.5 centimeter from this 90-degree angle. This is R. Join R to D and your required quadrilateral DEAR constructed. After construction, you write steps of construction of this quadrilateral like this. First, you write draw a line segment DE is equal to 4 cm. Then draw 60-degree angle at point E and take 5 cm distance in our compass and cut an arc from this 60-degree angle which is point A. And then you draw 90-degree angle at point A and cut 4.5 cm distance from this 90-degree angle, that is point R, and join R to D. You get DEAR is a required quadrilateral. Okay. Question number 1, second part. Second part is here. Construct quadrilateral TRUE. Quadrilateral TRUE. Okay. Measurements are given here. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. UE is equal to 4 centimeter. And angle R is equal to 75 degree. Angle U is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. These are the measurements by which we are going to construct quadrilateral TRUE. First of all, you draw a rough figure of quadrilateral TRUE. Your measurements TR 3.5 centimeter, RU 3 centimeter, UE 4 centimeter, angular 75 degree, angle U 120 degree. This question is like to first question. First of all, you draw a line segment TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then you draw 75 degree angle at point R with the help of compass. Like this, you take any distance in the compass and draw an arc with center R. Then you first cut from this arc and then you take second cut from this arc and bisect these two, you get 90 degree. Then you bisect 60 to 90, you get 75 degree. 75 degree. Then you take 3 centimeter distance in your compass and cut an arc from this 75 degree angle arc like this. That's point with you 3 centimeter. Then to draw 120 degree angle at point Q, you take compass and draw an arc with center U like this, and you put your socket at point this intersection point and cut an arc from this previous arc like first and second. This is 120 degree inclining. This is 120 degree at point R. Then you take 4 cm distance in your compass and cut an arc from U to E, which is equal to 4 cm. Then you join E to T. You get your required quadrilateral TRU is constructed. You write down the steps of construction like this. First you draw a line segment TR whose length is 3.5 cm. Then you draw 75 degree angle at point R and cut 3 cm distance from this R. You get point U, and you at point U draw 120 degree angle and cut 4 cm distance from this R. You get E and join E to T. You get PRU is the required quadrilateral. Okay.